All right, we're going to start with online store, and then you are going to click customize, and we're going to go ahead and start designing the website. So I'm going to go ahead and download the logo from Canva, transparent logo that is already made. I'll click announcement bar, and I'll enter in a couple words at the top. It says summer sale. And then after I enter in that, I'll click save. And then next, I will go ahead and get the logo ready. I'll go ahead and click header, and then I'll click middle center so I can center the logo, and I'll upload that straight from my desktop. Once uploaded, I will then go ahead and click save, and then I will blow up the logo because it is small. Now we are going to work on the banner. So I will click the banner and I will click adapt to image, and then I will hide the text and the button and the words because we do not need that. And then after that, I would then click save, and I'll go to Canva, start downloading my banners. Not downloading them, making my banners. I forgot my banners are not made yet. So and this Shopify theme is for sale. If you would like to take a look at it and purchase it, it is linked in the description. It is a DIY easy install. So if you're looking for that, link in the description. You want ingredient after, and then yeah. And I'm going to keep designing and turn down the transparency. And then I'm going to press the duplicate button just so I can stick with the same type of font. And I'm going to go ahead and add shop collection. And I'm going to go ahead and add the button as well on top of that element, the shapes right here. Now we're going into making the second banner. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing as the top, but I think I'm going to go ahead and get like a purple, the same purple ingredient for the second banner. So I went ahead and just duplicated the actual top banner just to make it easier so I can stay, with the same colors and cohesive. I'm just going to remove the text and add different text, and more than likely add like a different picture. Now I'm going to add some Instagram heart likes. I just typed in Instagram heart in the element section, and I'll add about 3 of those. And I will change that color red to be purple so it's matching with the color of the banners. And then I went ahead and searched a picture frame so I can use the Polaroid pictures. Then I'm going to insert a couple of photos in those as well. And I just duplicate it instead of, just trying to add another one. It's just easier. Then I'll go ahead and add the photos I've got in my uploads to the picture frames. Next, we are going to change the announcement bar color scheme. So this is game right here. You click edit, right? So I know it's blue, but I'm going to change it. I got to get the color hex code from Canva. So what you do is go back to Canva. I want this purple, same color, right? I'll go ahead and unlock it, and then I'll get the color hex code. You can copy and paste. First unlock, and then move the gradient. Click the back of the banner. You see the purple, click that, click the purple again, gives you that code. Just copy and paste. So you'll see me copy right here, just so it's exactly the same and cohesive. Go back to Shopify and click paste. And then you'll have the same exact purple that's in your banners, so it's matching. Click save. That is free game right there. We're gonna do the same with the bottom, but all you have to do is click edit and then click the color scheme number 5, which is the purple. And then I'll click save. So now we are going to make the collection list cover photos. I will hop back to Canva. I'll do an Instagram post type of template from scratch, a blank one. And then I'll add like the gradient, and then I'll do the same process I did with the banners for the collection list. Next, I'll download those from Canva, go back to Shopify, click exit, and then I'll go to products and then collections. And then I'm going to go ahead and create a collection. You'll click create collection in the right hand corner. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the cover photos for the collection list that we're going to add once we get back into Shopify. I'll just upload the same process from my computer, and then I'll name the collection and the title, and I'll click save. So this is how you add the collection list. You'll go to add section, you'll go to collection list, and then you'll click the collections one by one, and then click select, and then just keep going back, and they all will show once you add them. And then I usually click like view all on mobile, just so it can like slide. As you can see right here, I'll put bestsellers, and then I'll go ahead and do like 2 columns on mobile, enable swipe, just so you know it's a swipe type of method, I guess. And I'm going to keep the featured products empty just in case anybody want to add their own products. But like I said, for more information, click the link in the description for the DIY themes, or if you need help installing my theme, or even if you need a custom Shopify website. Like I said, all links will be in the description. And then here I'm just changing the fonts, the way it looks. So yeah, I actually went back and fixed some things after I was done with this website, y'all. I do like the collection list to be on top of the banners, but yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. And I was just changing up some more things, but it's pretty much done. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I like it. I like this purple thing. I think this is my first purple type of Shopify theme website. So yeah, it is cute. This is what it looks like. Final look. I do hope this video was helpful. All links in the description. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.